Hey guys, what's up? I just finished doing my base. I was on Instagram Live and I decided that today would be the perfect day. Hold on, let me zoom out a little. Today would be the perfect day to film with the Fatally Yours palette again. I wanted to do a look with like the teals since I did something with like the murky greens and the rusty shade with the plum. I thought it would be fun to kind of play over here a little bit. So that's what I am doing today. I'm gonna just hop right into it. I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath. Whoa, I already have black all over my fingers. I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath Labs Longwear Primer on my eyes to start. And then we're gonna hop right in to the eye look. All right, I'm all primed. And it's blended in. I blended this in already, but let's just go over a little more. And I am going to take my Unearthly 8.5 brush. It's like this really small one. And I'm going to take I have to Google how you say this before I make a fool out of myself. How do you say it? How to say?
Strychnine.
Strychnine. So we're going in with strychnine right here. I wonder how many people had to guess how to say that. Actually, let me go in. Yeah, I'm gonna go into that. And I am going to gently pat because I do not want any fallout all over my face. So I'm just gonna kind of like cover the lid area up into the crease. And it's okay if it's a little bit messy. I'm really just trying to get the color placed down. And I'm gonna take this brush and make sure there's no fallout here. And I'm gonna add a little bit of extra powder actually, since I already have my base. I already have my base done. I don't wanna mess up my whole face. And I'm going in again and just building up that color. And we're going from darkest to lightest today. And I'm so happy I've been able to like kind of get into the groove of filming on a regular basis. And I'm home alone. Feels weird. My husband's always with me. Yeah, so that is where I'm gonna leave it, and I'm gonna match that on this eye, and I'll be right back. I've kind of matched that up now. And I'm gonna go in with a blending brush into that same shade, and I'm just going to start diffusing the edges here a bit and blending that in, just so that when I go in with this lighter shade, it's not super hard to like blend out, or there isn't like a harsh line underneath that I'll have to work really hard to diffuse. So this is just making it a little bit easy for me. Easier. Anyways, how are you guys? Did anybody pick it up? Did anybody pick it up already? Did they get it yet? Do you love it yet? Did yours ship? What's your favorite item from the collection? Let me know. Are there specific looks that you want me to film? I have lots of questions today. I have lots of questions today. So that actually blended out pretty effortlessly. And now I'm gonna go into Kerosene, which is this like lighter shade. And I am going to blend this out even further, and it's just going to give us an even more seamless blend because this is like a lighter version of the other shade. And this is super dramatic, super blown out, which is my favorite kind of makeup anyway. And I'm just going in and building up that color and then diffusing the edges with whatever's left on the brush. And I might need to do like a shimmer brow bone highlight today, I think. That'd be fun. It's been a while since I've done that. This blend is blending pretty easily. And then I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and that first color and really take that up. What am I looking for here? I need another blending brush. Just taking that darker color a little bit higher. I don't know if I want to do maybe some of those glitter gels. That could be fun. That could be really fun for this look. Anyways, I went into the zone for a minute and I wasn't even talking. All right, how do I look? How does it look? I think it looks pretty good. I think maybe I could do one of the shimmer gels in the middle, or maybe I could just top some highlight on top. I'm gonna figure that out and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I decided to go in with the Nightshade gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna just put that on the tip of a flat brush and apply that into my waterline. Trying to find a palette with a little mirror in it so that I could still stay in frame without hunching down to look at my mirror. So I'm just gonna apply that in my waterline, my lower waterline. And then I will smoke out the lower lashes with the same shade as my lids. Like I said, I raved about these liners. I always rave about their liners. In the last video that I did full swatches in that last video. So if you're interested in seeing that, head over there. I need a pencil brush. I need a pencil brush. Hold, please. Okay. Wait, how do we say this word again?
Strychnine.
Strychnine. I'm going back in with strychnine, which is that like deep teal shade. It looks almost like my sweater. And I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line and get this really dark and smoky. I'm loving that already. It's coming together. I'm trying to think of like different colors I could do with makeup on my channel, like switch it up, because I could easily get myself into a rut of doing greens and purples all the time, or even orange. So if you guys have any suggestions for what color my next look should be, please let me know down in the comments below. All right, now I'm gonna go into Kerosene, which is that lighter teal shade, and then I'm just going to smoke out this lower lash line here and kind of connect the top. Same thing on this eye. I'm hoping I could get through this. I feel like I'm getting better and better and faster at filming. It's coming like more naturally to me, because let me tell you, I struggled for a really long time to even do any, I struggle to talk in front of people, but in general, like at one point I was just doing voiceovers when I first started my channel. I archived those videos now, but when I first started my channel, I didn't want to talk in my videos at all. So it's so weird that like I'm doing that now, you know? All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Unearthly Low Light Highlighter in Twilight. And this is like a really, ooh, my fingers got the other eyeshadow on it. Let's try this again. It's got like a spark, it's just like a bunch of suspended sparkles. So I want to just kind of press that all over the lid. I don't want to have like a full-on shimmer, but I did want to add some sparkle to the look. And I'm kind of applying that all over. I think that's so pretty. And I guess this could be a holiday look. Like, that's pretty festive. I love it. I love using this as an eyeshadow, like, topper instead of doing shimmers. It's a fun way to like use your mattes, like use an all matte palette like this palette. I'm gonna tap it a little bit at the bottom here too. So I already have a highlight on my face, but I wanna kind of get the outer edges here. It's like wrapping around. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna use the Unearthly Intangible lashes, and then put on mascara. For my mascara, I'm gonna use the FanFest mascara today, the Benefit FanFest, and then I'll be right back and we could do lips. All right, guys, I am back. Am I focused? All right, I have my lashes on. The lash glue is still drying, so I'm sorry if you see that. I have a little bit of lip balm. Oh, and I popped the same face highlighter I have on onto my inner corner. It's no longer available, so I'm not even gonna mention it anymore. But it was the Unearthly Flicker highlight from the In the Dark collection a couple years ago. I'm gonna take Brooklyn Thorn lip liner from NYX, and I'm gonna just line my lips with this. I love this one. It's like a cool tone shade. It's almost lavender. I feel like the best way to describe this is like a taupey lavender shade. And then after, I'm gonna go in with the Unearthly lipstick from the Dreamer collection box set. In Dreamer. The shade is called Dreamer. And this is it here. It is like a beautiful mauve-y nude. And it smells like plum and lychee. It's so nice. And there is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe I should do my little flashlight thingy so you could see the twinkle in the eyes. I think that'd be fun. So let me zoom in just a tad. And I will do the flashlight so you could see that twinkle. I think it's so fun. I love it. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this look, if you want to see more looks with this palette, if you've picked up this palette. I had so much fun playing with this one. Like, I really have been having fun playing around with this collection, like even the glitter gels, the gel liners. There's so much to like about this collection, and I feel like the best way to describe this palette is like Melt's ultimate, like the best of Melt mattes or something like that, because I definitely feel like some of these shades are reminiscent of what they have in their other palettes. There's Muerte. I don't have that one, but these shades kind of remind me of that. Then you have shades that remind me of like Gemini, Rust, maybe. But I think it's so fun to kind of have it all in one. Like I really had fun with this, and I feel like this would be a great palette to like travel with for me, especially if I have highlights like Twilight. Like I could literally do one color on my lid and then just tap over it with that Twilight highlighter, and then it's like a full look on its own already. So yeah, lots of fun with it. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Leave a comment down below on what color my next look should be, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.